In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a subscriber from your Substack list. Let's get started by opening Substack in your browser. Once the page loads, look at the left sidebar and click on Dashboard. If you happen to manage more than one publication on Substack, you'll need to choose the right one first. To do that, click the Publication switcher in the upper left corner of the dashboard. From the list that appears, click the publication you want to work with. Now, back on the left sidebar, click Subscribers. Take a quick moment to confirm that the page title or the active tab at the top says Subscribers, so you know you're in the correct place. Next, we need to find the specific subscriber you want to remove. Click the search bar near the top of the subscribers page. Then, carefully type in the subscriber's email address that you want to look up. Give it a second and wait for the subscriber table below to refresh and show the matching subscriber row. Have a look at the row and confirm it belongs to the free subscriber you actually intend to remove. Now let's remove them from the list. On the far left of the subscribers row, you'll see a small checkbox. Go ahead and click that checkbox to select the subscriber. After selecting, move your eyes to the top right area above the subscriber list and click the three-dot More menu. A small menu will drop down, and from there, click Remove. A confirmation dialog will pop up on your screen. Read through this dialog carefully and make sure it shows the correct subscriber so you don't accidentally remove the wrong person. Once you've verified the details, click Remove Email inside the confirmation dialog to finalize the action. The last thing we want to do is confirm that the subscriber is truly gone. Click the search bar again at the top of the subscribers page. Then, type in the same subscriber email address you just removed. Wait for the results to load and confirm that the subscriber row no longer appears in the search results. And that's it. The free subscriber has now been removed from your Substack publications subscriber list. They should no longer appear when you search for that email in the subscriber's dashboard, and Substack will stop sending any publication emails to that address going forward. That's how easily you can clean up your subscriber list on Substack.